Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 widgets for this device. Alrighty, so first of all you want to, somehow get to the widget menu or to the widget page. Simply make the shrink and swipe just like so in order for this additional home screen menu to appear. Next, as you can see at the bottom part of your display, you'll have the widget button which you want to tap on. And here you'll, be able to choose from all the widgets that are currently available to you, and all the available widgets are divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that I would highly recommend that you add if you do not have it already is the very convenient clock widget. There are 3 designs to choose from. I'll go with the one which will show not only time but also the weather. So I'll add it right here, just like so. Next I'll set up the weather application. Enter the place of my current stay, and once we do just that, once we get back to the home screen, we'll see that it also shows the brief data about the current weather. Alrighty, the second widget I would highly recommend that you add is the very convenient Google search bar. So let's go ahead and look for the Google category, tap and hold at the widget that you would like to add, and then choose the place for it to be on the home screen. I'll drop it right here, and once you tap and hold at the already added widget, you can change its size as well. So I'll make it a little bit wider so it will seem like the widget takes almost the entire screen. Alright, and the third widget that I would highly recommend that you add is located at the quick functions category, and it's called Cleaner, a very useful shortcut slash widget that allows you to clean or clear the cache of your device by simply tapping on it, just like so. Alright, as you can see, it successfully clears the cache through a single tap, easy as it is. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.